the officers stopped you or tried to stop you and you took off. That's why we're here. We're not here just for not turning over the license. We're here because you took off. Why didn't you just pull over when the officers asked you to?
I did.
A6 CR 004314, State versus Mia Hurtado. Could I have parties announced?
Where's the stage?
James Tochi for Ms. Hurtado, Judge.
And are you Miss Hurtado?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hurtado, did you review the application for community supervision or deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with evading arrest detention with a vehicle as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred adjudication. Taking in consideration 2025 CC 011563 and 2025 CC 012999. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be the MRT, TAP evaluation, and 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, ma'am.
State any evidence?
Yes, sir. State of receipts exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Without objection, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge. Actually, there's a few things I need to make you aware of. The first thing is Mia lives in Uvalde County.
Mhm.
Her plan is to remain on supervision here in Bear and not have it transferred. We kind of talked about that, and she thinks it's going to work out better for her. So I don't know if the court needs to allow her to reside in Uvalde, but that is where she resides currently. But she wants the probation to remain here.
Then she will have to stay here.
Okay, well, that's why I brought it up. So then I guess I guess then we're gonna have to ask the court to allow her supervision be transferred to Uvalde, because that is where she will be residing. And I told her it could be transferred back, I suppose, at some point. That's item one. Item two is Mia's 28. She lives with her grandparents in Uvalde. She has two minor children, 8 and 2. One of them is autistic. She doesn't work, she doesn't go to school. She's basically a full-time caregiver for her autistic child. And so the reason I bring that up is with regard to the community service, I don't know if the court has any flexibility on that. Mia literally is the only person that currently is and can care for that 2-year-old. I don't her grandparents cannot handle him. He's a lot. And so she's just kind of watching her kids right now, and that's her life.
So who was taking care of her child when she was committing this offense in Bear County?
They were with their father.
I'm sorry.
They were with their father.
All right. So we have the father who can help out.
He lives in San Antonio. They have no custody orders. They do have an agreement. They abide by it on weekends.
Mhm.
And yes, thank God he's there to help. But the primary custodial parent is her. So I'm just bringing this to the court's attention. The court can do with it whatever the court wants.
No,
but
I
that's-
will.
That's her life, Judge.
So why didn't you just pull over?
I'm sorry.
Why didn't you just pull over when the officers asked you to?
I did pull over.
Then why we're here for an evading? Because according to the stipulations that I read, they asked for your license, you wouldn't give it, and then you took off.
No, I just didn't have my license on me, but I did give my driver's license number verbally.
You're here for an evading arrest detention in a vehicle. That means that you were in a vehicle. The officers stopped you or tried to stop you, and you took off. That's why we're here. We're not here just for not turning over the license. We're here because you took off. So why?
Because I was scared.
Mhm.
It was trying to like break my window, and I just got scared.
All right. There's no mention of a breaking of a window in here, or trying to break a window.
Oh,
I wasn't there, Judge.
That's not in the stipulated evidence. So when's the last time you were employed?
20, 20, 25 years.
All right. So that means that she can work again, because I require everyone to have employment. Are you receiving any type of government assistance with regards to um, your special needs child?
No.
Okay. All right. And this Timothy person in the police reports, is that the father of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No driving without proof of a valid driver's license and insurance. Once parenting classes are completed, 50 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 50 hours will be deducted upon completion of MRT. There are to be field visits one time per month for 3 months. If Uvalde does that. There's to be a transfer to Uvalde. 2 years deferred adjudication. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yeah.
Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? with regards to this probation. If something comes up or you need help with something, you need to let probation know. You understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.